ABELI, and today we have some fun, not necessarily unboxings, but some reveals of the new Pokemon Company summer picnic line. So we have a few different items here that I wanted to showcase. All the links for them will be down in the description down below, but we're super excited. It's summer. It definitely felt like it here today, and we are very excited for picnic season as well as beach season. So without further ado, our first item that I'm going to show you is a picnic basket. So we have this wicker picnic basket, and it has a nice handle that you can carry it with, as well as two leather straps that hold it together. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Definitely feel nice and heavy duty, so you know that they're going to stay. So let's open it up. And as you can see from the first glance, we have this nice fabric on the inside, and it's all Pokemon themed. Let me show you down below. And we have, it's basically a picnic for two, so you have two sets of silverware, as well as a little salt and pepper shaker. And then down here, this aside, we have two cloth napkins with a bunch of Pokemon on it, which is super cute. And then you got two boxes in here. Let's see what's in there. Before I open them though, I wanted to show you that there's also a couple extra straps on either side. This one looks like it could be for like a bottle of wine or something, as well as like other beverages that you might want to bring with you on the picnic. So let's see what's in this box. I'm just gonna open one. It looks like a nice little wine glass. Oh, that's cute. It's a little. So there is another wine glass in here. I'm not going to open it up just because you guys get the idea of that. But we will go ahead and put this back in there for safekeeping. Then we'll open up the other box. My assumption is it's going to be plates. Oh yeah. And we got a couple plates. Oh, and it has Pikachu on it. Oh, that's so cute. And the other one is also Pikachu. So you got two little Pikachu plates. So cute. I will say, Pokemon does a really nice job of all their designs and everything. Everything is the same color, so that way you know that everything matches and goes well together. In there. All right, so that is the picnic basket. So the next thing kind of goes hand in hand with the picnic, or at least I think it kind of does, because of course you have to cook the food. So the next thing is a Pokemon Summer Days grilling apron. So let's open that up. And again, it has a nice little Pikachu on the front. And it's all nice white. It has some nice pockets for all of your grilling materials. And then it has a nice neck, just like regular aprons. So very nice for all of the grilling people out there. So we'll go ahead and pull it up a little bit. And then put it in with the picnic stuff. And again, I love the little Pikachu stuff. It's super cute. Okay, so the next thing we have is a fun picnic blanket. So again, it matches the theme. You have the same colors, same decor. and it's a nice like weather resistant on one side, so it's nice and like smooth. And then you have basically this whole thing. It's really big. Look at that. And that's only half of it. So it's perfect size for your picnic needs, or even if you just want to have like another blanket for like the beach, you can easily take it with you there as well. So let me try to fold it back up a little bit. It's another nice addition to your picnic. There. Okay, so kind of going in the theme of picnic and the beach, we have this awesome beach bag that has a lapras on it, as well as a Pikachu and a seahorse and a Staryu, Tentacool, and a Slowpoke. So there's so many Pokemon on there. I think I forgot one. It even says Pokemon on it. And it's a good size. Like, this is definitely going to fit a bunch of your beach towels and different like toys that you want to take to the beach. Like sunscreen, definitely a good size. All right, and then keeping on with the beach theme, we have this awesome, super soft beach towel. And what's cool about this is it has so many Pokemon on it, like all over the place. And it's really big, guys. Like, I guess beach towels are normally big, but it's probably, so it's basically touching the ground. So it's about the same height as me. But I love these colors. They're definitely perfect for the summer. And it's actually called a Pokemon Sunset. So it definitely looks like a sunset on there. It's very neat. And it'll definitely keep you nice and soft and dry at the beach this summer. So super cute. I'm gonna put this in our handy dandy beach bag. I should put that in nicer. Okay. So, the next one, I'm actually not gonna be able to take it out because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put it back in the box. But it's a Pokemon Summer Days pool float. And this one is a Lapras. So it is, let me see if I can find the dimensions on here. It is 80 inches by 72.5 inches by 53 inches. So it's pretty big. And it weighs the weight capacity is 441 pounds. So it definitely should be good. But yeah, definitely a big floaty. We'll make sure to leave a photo of what this looks like somewhere over here maybe. So definitely cool, but I'm nervous about putting it back in the box. So we'll take photos of it later. I'm gonna put that over here. And then our last couple of things might not necessarily be beach or picnic related, but we thought it was really fun. So we have this fun notebook with all of the different Pokemon on it. This, I mean, who doesn't need another notebook? Especially this summer, you can have like a journal, you can do fun like recipes, picnic ideas, anything you want. So pretty fun. And then, last but not least, are these really fun Pokemon pixel pins. So we have Magikarp and Gyarados, and then a Lapras. They look like the old Game Boy versions of them, so they're nice and pixelated. So for those of you that used to play the old Pokemon games, you're gonna love this for nostalgia. But yeah, I especially like the Lapras one. So cute. Kind of goes with our nice Lapras pool floaty. So super cool. But yeah, so that's just a little taste of the new summer picnic line from the Pokemon Company. Like I said earlier in the video, we'll leave a description down below as to where you can find all of them. If you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll check you guys later. Bye.